Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3. In that we'll see the exercise 10.2. So here it says expand using the distributive property. So now you can see these are the two terms and these are in the bracket and there is n outside. So what we have to do, we are going to use the distributive property, means we are going to multiply this n is for this term as well as this term. So that will be mn plus 3n. Now we'll see the next one, that is going to be 15x minus, because this is minus here, that will be 5 to the 10. This should be 16x, this will be minus 24y. This will be 3x square plus 3xy, because 3x into x, that will be 3x square. This is going to be 24 and this will be x square minus here 22xy. Now here there are three terms, so this will be 3x, there is a minus sign between, so that will be minus 2x square, and this is the third one, that will be 5 plus, because this is plus, so 5xy. Now this one, in this one what we can see, this 15x is for this, what is in the bracket, these two terms, and this plus 7 is separate. So we can write here 15x square plus 75x and this plus 7 separately. This we can do this one as 12x square plus 36xy, and this is going to be 12 8s are 96, that is xz. So this will be 10a square minus 50ab, and this is going to be plus 30ac. This will be 6x square plus 18xy plus this will be 30xz. This will be 4x into x square, that will be 4x cube, 12x square, and this is going to be 36x. Now let us see the next one. It says expand and simplify by collecting the like terms. Like terms means which are same. X and x together, x square and x square together, y and y. These are the, I'll show you. Now see here, this is 3 separate, this plus sign, and this 2 is for these two terms. So actually there is a multiplication over here. So what we can do here, 3 plus, this will be 2x and this will be plus 2. So now we'll bring the like terms together. This 2x will be as it is, and these are the constant one, 3 plus 2, that is going to be plus 5. Here you can see this 7 is for this bracket and this 4 is for this bracket. So now let us take here 7x plus 7, that is here, plus sign as it is, and this will be 4x plus 12, this is here. So now this and this together, that will be 7x plus 4x, and this together plus 7 plus 12. So this is going to be 11x and this will be plus 19. Now let us see this part and this part. So this will be 3x minus 24 and this will be 10x minus 15. So 3x minus 24 plus 10x minus 15. So this and this together, that will be 3x plus 10x, and this together means minus 24 minus 15. So this is going to be 13x and this is going to be minus 39. This 4 is for this term, and this 13 plus 13, 2 plus x. So this will be 4x plus 44, and this is going to be 26, and this will be plus 13x. There's plus sign in between. So now this and this together, and this together. So that will be 4x plus 13x, and this will be 44 plus 26. So this should be 17x, and this will be plus 70. Now this x minus 6 into 12, and this will be x plus 7 into y. So this will be 12x minus 72, and this should be xy plus 7y. So now you can see this, there's no common here. That means that there's no like term over here. So now we'll keep this 12x here. This plus xy will bring it here. 7y will bring it here. And this is minus 72. This is a constant term. So there is no variable along with it. So always write the constant at the last. Now this part, that is going to be x squared plus 3x, that is here. This plus sign as it is. This is together. So this is going to be 3x squared and plus x. So now what you can see here, this and this together, x squared plus 3x squared, and this will be 3x plus x. So this will be, there is 1 over here, so 1 plus 3, that is going to be 4x squared, and 3x, and this is 1 over here, that is going to be 4x. Now this minus 2 is separate, so this will be 10x squared, and this is going to be plus 50x, and this will be minus 2. This and this together, this and this together, so this is going to be x squared plus 8xy, and this will be 5x squared, and this will be 5xy. So now this and this together, because they are the like terms, and this together. So that will be x squared plus 5x squared, and this will be plus 8xy plus 5x squared. So there is 1 over here, means that will be 6x squared, and here 8xy plus 5xy, that is going to be 13xy. Again, now this together and this together, so this will be 4a plus this 40b, and this is going to be 3a, and this will be 3b. So this and this together, and this together, so that will be 4a plus 3a, and this is going to be plus 40b plus 3b. So this will be 7a, and this is going to be 43b. Now here this says multiply the following binomials. So by means there are two terms here. So we can see here, these are the binomials. So this is one bracket and this is the other bracket. So there is a multiplication sign here, but which is not seen. So what will you do here? In this case, there are two ways directly. We can also do this way. Is this 5, we are going to multiply by this by this one, this by this one, and this by this. But if you do it separately, I'll show you. 5a will take, and this is the other way. And this whole bracket, we are going to write it here. This is from the first bracket, I'll repeat it. We'll take the first term, and then from the second bracket, we'll take the second bracket together over here. Then along with this sign, plus 11b. And again the second bracket, again over here. See, the second bracket is repeated. From the first term, then the second bracket, second term from the first bracket, and again the second bracket. So now you will see here, that is going to be 40a squared plus 45ab, and this is going to be plus sign as it is, 88ab, and this is going to be 99b square. So now what we can see here, 40a square, and these are the like terms, ab and ab. So that is going to be 133 because both is plus, and this will be 99b square. So in the second one, again the same. We'll take the first term, the second bracket here. But see now this, again this is minus, so be careful with that. So you have to take along with the sign, so minus 9q, and this is the second bracket. So this is going to be 44p square, and this will be 187pq. This is minus sign, so here what will do, 36pq. And now look at here, minus and plus becomes minus. This minus is for both of them, this as well as this one. So don't write plus. If you write plus, the answer is going to be wrong. So plus minus is going to be minus, and then you will see here that is going to be 153 cube square. So now this is alone. These are the like terms, plus 187 and minus 36. So that is going to be 151, which, but bigger number sign means plus 151 pq, and this will be as it is. Same here, the first term, the second bracket here, plus 4y square, and the second bracket here. So this is going to be 21x4 plus 56x square y square. This is going to be 12x square y square, and this is going to be 32y4. So this will be 12x is to 4. These are the like terms, so that is going to be, you are going to add it, 56 plus 12 x square y square, and this the same. Now here the first term is here, the second bracket together here. Now this along with the sign -3 right over here, and again the second bracket is here. So when you multiply this one, you get 195 x square y square. For this one, you will get 104 xyz. Now see this minus sign is important. 15 3s are 45 minus 45 xyz. And now see here, this minus and minus becomes plus because there is multiplication sign here. Plus 24 z square. So now this is the same. This, when we write this one, that is going to be minus 149 xyz. And this should be 24 z square. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.